In this video, I am going to show you how to build infinite scroll lists in Adalo. Start by heading over to your Adalo account and opening your app builder. To create an infinite scroll list, you first need to add a list to your screen. Click on the plus icon on the left side of your screen, search for a list, and choose the type of screen you want to add. In this example, I am using a custom list. After adding the list, select what the list is based on and configure the components inside it. For my setup, I am displaying a title and a subtitle. The title is connected to the product name, and the subtitle is connected to the product price. You can customize these fields based on the data in your own database. To make this list infinitely scrollable, select the list component and look at the settings on the left side of your screen. Make sure the field labeled maximum number of items is completely empty. If you enter a value like 10 or 20, the list will stop loading after that number. And infinite scrolling will not work. Leaving this field empty allows the list to keep loading more items as the user scrolls. Next, open the advanced options and ensure that the load items as user scrolls toggle is enabled. This setting is essential for infinite scrolling. Once both of these settings are correctly configured, click on View App in the top right corner and open the app preview to test the behavior. As you scroll down the list in the preview, you will notice that more items continue to load automatically. The list keeps fetching additional records from the database as you scroll, creating a smooth, infinite scrolling experience for users. And this is how you can build infinite scroll lists in Adalo.